Hi, I'm Renee and I'm a line chef at Crave Restaurant and this is Simply Local. Simply Local is about taking our favorite Trinbagonian dishes and turning them into something fantastic. Here I take simple ingredients and prepare them by giving them a local twist. Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Local. So today we're going to do something fun and exciting. I have my great friend Lanelle here, aka Sushi Banton.
Yeah.
And we're going to make sushi for you guys today. I know it's Lenten season, so we have shrimp to use. We're going to use a curry shrimp we're going to make for them.
Yeah.
Because it's Simply Local, so we're giving it a nice local twist, right? So a nice curry shrimp we're making for you. It's topped with a tomato salsa, correct?
Yep.
Yeah? Right, so let's get started. Lanelle, you take it from here. Let me know what to do.
Alright, well, first we have the sushi rice that we're gonna soak. The reason why you're soaking it is because you want to get the starch out. It has plenty starch in it and you want to make sure you get all that out.
And so this is the rice that we have soaking here, right? Right, so you tell me more about this rice. How much water you think we should put in the rice?
Basically just to cover the rice.
Okay, just to cover it.
Yeah.
And how long you think that we should leave it for?
And you leave it for 1 hour.
For 1 hour.
Yeah.
Right, and this is what you're looking for after. It's
Yes.
very white.
Yeah, it's white and as you can see from the touch, it will be a bit brittle.
Okay.
So you know it's ready.
So you're looking for that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, well, let's get started.
So now we're gonna boil the rice.
Okay.
Or steam, more so steam the rice.
Right, so typically you'll have a rice steamer.
Yeah.
Okay? But today we don't have a rice steamer, so we're
Right.
gonna make a rice steamer. So we have a
Right.
pot, and what we're gonna do to create the steam action there, we have some foil, right?
Right, we're just gonna cover it with the foil and puncture just a little hole so you don't want all the steam to stay inside, you just want a little
That's good to come out.
Right.
Okay, great. So we have it steaming, and how long do we have to steam it for, Lana?
Well, because of the amount of rice,
Uh-huh.
you want to leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, not too bad. Okay. Right, so in the meantime, we have time then. So in the meantime, we can cut up the vegetables and everything
Yep.
else. And curry the shrimp.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so let's go over here and we'll cut up all the vegetables now. So we have our rice here that's been fully cooked, right? It still has steam and it's nice and hot. What's the next step? What are we gonna do?
Okay, so now we're gonna season the rice with vinegar.
Right. What kind of vinegar is this?
It's a rice vinegar.
It's a rice vinegar. And you can just buy this vinegar.
Yes.
Right, okay, good. Right, so you tell me how much to put, right? I'm
Okay.
just gonna pour.
So it's best to season it when it's hot so that the vinegar can soak up in the rice.
Okay,
Yeah, that
nice.
should be fine.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So just want to give it a toss just to get the vinegar all over.
And it's looking wet here. Like you said, it will absorb, so it's okay when it starts to look wet like this. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So now we have to let it cool. But while it's cooling, ever so often you come back, you give it a nice
Like a few
toss
tips.
up. Right?
Okay, good. So great, we have the shrimp here, right? But before we curry it, we want to make sure that the shrimp is actually straightened. Because in sushi, everything is better straightened. That's correct, right?
Yeah, so
Right.
it's easier to roll.
Okay, nice. Right, so you're going to show me how to do that, right?
Right.
Okay, and what is it called? That's
All right, well, shrimp in Japanese is called ebi.
ebi.
And the style in which we are about to do is called nobashi.
Nobashi. So I'm gonna nobashi my ebi.
Yes.
That sounds really fun. Okay, cool guys. We're gonna nobashi our ebi. That's good.
Right. So basically, you just make a couple cuts. Say about 3 cuts. You're not going all the way through because then you'll cut off the shrimp.
Shrimp, yeah.
You don't want that. Then you flip it, give it a little press, and that's it.
Okay, and nice and straight.
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, so now we're gonna season the shrimp. I have some salt here. I have some black pepper. Could you just grind this for me, please?
Sure.
I have curry as well. I have some masala. And Lana, you're gonna add the shadow bani for me.
All right.
saute pan here, and I just put some oil in it, and we have it on a medium heat, right?
Right.
So we're gonna saute the garlic and the onions. Because it's shrimp and it's a little bit amount as well, 3 to 5 minutes will be sufficient enough to actually cook this.
Nice.
So the next step, we're gonna make the tomato salsa, right? So we have nice local tomatoes. So it's really fairly simple, right? So all we have to do is to boil. We're gonna add the tomatoes, and you can put the garlic and the onion for me, while I put the salt and the black pepper. So we have garlic, onion, tomato. So here's the fun part, right?
Yes.
We have everything nicely laid out here. So we have our tomato salsa, we have our rice, we have our curried shrimp, and we have our cucumber as well.
Right.
Nice. We have nori. Nori is what again? Nori is seafood.
Nori is seaweed.
Seaweed, right?
Yeah.
Seaweed. Okay, dried seaweed basically.
Dried seaweed, yeah.
Okay, great. And we have our mat here that we just clinged. It makes it easier with the cling, right? And
Yeah.
smoother.
Yeah, the reason why you cling it is because the rice is a sticky rice, so it'll create a mess.
Okay.
You don't want the mess?
So make it nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And we have some water here as well. Because like you said, it's a sticky rice, right? So the water will help it to actually stay off our hands.
Right.
Okay, great. Alright, so you're gonna show me one, and guys, I'm gonna attempt to roll a sushi. So let's begin.
Alright. So you place the nori on the smooth side down.
Down. Okay,
Right.
great. Right, and you go
And
ahead.
you damp your hands. You know, not to soak your hands, but just make sure it's a little moist.
Okay.
Okay, a nice ball.
We want a nice ball of
A
rice.
nice ball going there.
Okay, and you cup it.
Around 5 to 6 ounces.
Okay.
Spread it out in your hand, so it will
Like
be
a
easier.
log?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will be easier to spread when you're putting it down on the
Okay,
nori.
no problem.
Right. So you start from like the middle. You take your two hands, your two fingers, sorry, and you spread.
And you work your way through.
Right. You're pulling with your left hand,
Uh-huh.
and your right hand you're spreading it.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
So it's like one motion.
Okay. And now we just have to like flatten it down.
Right. Now, okay, my hands are a little wet again there. You use your thumbs, and you
And
push it up.
press. Okay.
Not so much press, but more like a push.
Okay.
Yeah. And for this part, you just use the remaining of your fingers and you pull it
Press
down.
back.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
That's that.
Okay, great. And what's the next item we're gonna put into it? Oh, you have
Now,
to flip
you
it.
have to flip it over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, you could roll it like this, but we're not doing that today.
Okay.
So, flip it. So, we have some cucumbers. Then you add your shrimp. So, you place your nori at just about a 1/4 inch off the bamboo mat.
Oh, okay.
Take your thumbs. You rest of your fingers like this
You keep it in.
to keep everything in,
Uh-huh.
and you just give it a roll.
Straight over.
Straight over, but you're leaving just a little space so that when you roll, you can seal everything there.
In. Okay.
And then you roll over again, so as you can see, it's
It's kind of tucked in there.
right.
Okay.
So then you give it a next roll. And that's where you seal it.
Okay, good.
Give it a nice press, but not to squeeze too hard.
Okay,
There
wow.
it is.
Okay, good.
From here,
Uh-huh.
if you want to neaten it up a bit, you could just put
Push
your
in the sides.
tuck in the sides like this.
Okay, good.
But again, you're not squeezing.
Okay.
So you just want to hold it firmly right there
And do the next side as well.
and do the next side.
Okay, so the first step, you wet your hands, right? So you just wet your both hands.
Right?
And you have your rice. And I'm taking up about roughly 5 to 6 ounces, you said?
Yeah.
This is amount good or a
Yeah,
little bit more?
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah.
And I make it into a bowl, right?
Right.
Okay, this is good?
Yeah.
Oh, I've fitted your log.
Right.
So I'm squeezing it like this and make it like a log. That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. And I have to put it here.
Right.
And I'm just gonna kind of go down, right?
You use your left hand and pull, and your right hand to push.
My left hand
To pull, and your right hand to push.
So I made sure that the whole surface of the nori is covered, right? And I just flip him over.
Yes.
But before I flip him over, I'm just gonna wet the mat a little, right?
Yeah.
So stop it from sticking.
Right.
Okay, good. I'm gonna flip him over. Cucumbers first. Alright, and we have the shrimp. our nice curry shrimp and onions. Guys, our curry shrimp sushi roll topped with tomato salsa. Lana, I must say this looks amazing. Amazing. Nice. So thank you. I want to try it. You should try one. Try one first.
Yeah, I will try one. No, I really like soy.
So we need to do the soy.
So we need to do the soy. I'll have it just as
okay.
is.
And I would do a little dip there. Oh my god. Guys, you know what's crazy? It's sushi, but I'm getting the flavors right off the bat. So the curry, shadow benny, and the nice little salsa. So Lanelle, what really inspired you to be a sushi chef?
Well, sushi wasn't my go-to thing. It's just that I was offered the position at my previous job, and I took it, and from there loved it.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah. Sorry, I can't stop eating it.
Great.
I love it that much.
Great.
You want any more?
No, I'm fine. Thank you. You can have the rest.
Thank you. As always, guys, the full recipes on eatofoodt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at eatofoodt. Lanelle, thanks again. We really appreciate it, guys.
Thanks for having me.
The local flavors that we really brought in it really helped the sushi, you know, and it brought out our culture, you know, because we have a nice curry going there. And I love the salsa, the additional salsa too.
Yeah, the shadow benny, the salsa, the garlic,
it's really good, right?
Was nice, yeah.
And it kind of breaks the stigma too that you have to have something sushi raw. You know, we can have it here that is actually fully cooked and nothing is wrong with it, right?
True.
Alright, so this was great. Thanks again, Lanelle. As always, guys, the full recipes are at eatofoodt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at eatofoodt. Right? Let us know down in the comments how you made your sushi roll. If you don't want curry, they can make it gyro, right?
Yeah.
Because gyro tastes amazing.
Yes.
Right, until next time, guys. Bye. Enjoy.